crowded square. Magic's floating in the air. Open books and off we go to lands that only dreamers know.
Spark the Dragon's Fun Forest Adventure. In a green forest, a tiny dragon named Spark lived in a cozy cave. Her red scales sparkled in the sunlight. Her big eyes shone like stars. Spark loved to play and meet new friends. One morning, the sun was warm and bright. Spark stretched her wings and said,
I want a new friend today.
She flapped her little wings and flew over tall trees. The sky was blue and birds sang happy songs. Spark giggled and waved at them. She landed by a small shiny pond. A green frog named Hoppy sat on a lily pad. Hoppy loved to jump high,
Hi, Hoppy.
said Spark.
Want to play with me?
Yeah,
Said Hoppy.
let's splash in the pond.
They jumped in together. Splash! The water was cool and fun. They laughed and made big waves that rippled across the pond. Then a bunny named Fluffy hopped over a grassy hill.
Can I play too?
Asked Fluffy. Her fur was soft and white like a cloud,
Yes.
said Spark. The three friends ran around the pond. They hopped over smooth rocks and chased a yellow butterfly dancing in the air. After a while, they were tired and sat under a big shady tree,
I'm hungry.
said Hoppy, rubbing his tummy. Spark smiled.
Let's find some berries.
They walked to a bush full of red berries. The berries were sweet and juicy. They ate and laughed, their mouths red from the juice. The sun began to set, and the sky turned pink and orange,
This was the best day.
said Fluffy, hopping happily. Spark hugged her new friends tightly.
Let's play again tomorrow.
She said. Hoppy and Fluffy nodded.
Yes, let's do it again.
They said. They waved goodbye and promised to meet at the pond. Spark flew back to her cozy cave. She curled up on her soft bed of green leaves and smiled. She was so happy to have new friends. As she closed her eyes, she dreamed of more fun days with Hoppy and Fluffy running and laughing together. In the green forest, Spark, Hoppy, and Fluffy played every day. They splashed in the pond, chased butterflies, and ate sweet berries. They were the best of friends, always happy under the big blue sky. One day, Spark found a shiny pebble by the pond.
Let's share it.
She said. They took turns tossing it, laughing as it skipped on the water. Their friendship grew stronger every day. Sparkled, shone bright like a star. Sunlight, light from the sun, flapped, moved wings up and down, rippled. made little waves in water. Butterfly, a bug with colorful wings. Juicy, full of sweet liquid. Friendship, being close friends.